6 cups of coffee and dozen muffins originally cost $15.35. So let's let X be the cost of single cup of coffee. Single cup of coffee. Okay. And let's let Y be cost of single muffin. Okay, so they're telling us that if you have 6 cups, right, and a dozen muffins, so 12y, this is equal to $15.35. Now the price of a cup of coffee increases by 10%. So if you want to increase anything by 10%, right? So let's say you have $10. If you increase it by 10%, you have to add 10% of $10, which is 1. Okay. Now we can get the same thing, same result, if we just get the original price and times it by 1.1. So 1 represents 100%, and this one represents 10%. So if you multiply this, note that we also get 11. This is what I'm going to use. So 6 times by, so actually we're going to increase it by, so increase it by 10% means 1.1 of x instead of x. As for the muffin, increases by 12%, so it's 1.12y. And the new cost for 6 and 12, a dozen, is $17.60. 17.06. So of course we can solve this graphically. I'm going to solve this algebraically. What I'm going to do is multiply this equation right here by 1.1. So you get 6 times by 1.1x, 12 times by 1.1y, and 15 times by this here times by 1.1. That, so if we subtract this, okay, so here we get, if you factor out 12, you get 1.12 minus 1.1 y, subtract this, that, and this is going to be 12 times by 0.02, y is equal to 0.175. So this will give us the original price of the muffin. Okay, so we get this. That's roughly 73 cents. Let's get x2. Let's plug it in here. Then 6x will equal to 12.35 minus 12 times by 0.729. So get all of this and divide by 6, we'll get the price of the coffee. We get 1.1. So the new price, okay, the new price of coffee is going to be 1.1 times by 1.1, which is 1.21, so $1.21. And the new price of muffin is going to be 0.729. Let's times it by, what was it, 1.12. To a cent, we get 82 cents for that.